Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been here and I'm so happy to finally be back. And as I'm getting back into the swing of things, I have noticed that my studio has gotten a little out of control. So I needed an organizer. So I picked this up off of Amazon. There will be an affiliate link down below if you are interested. And I was needing something pretty simple. I didn't need something huge, because it's just for the things that are just kind of sitting on my desk. I want to get them up and off, kind of up a little bit out of the way. So I have this little organizer I picked up. Let's open it up, see what we've got. Okay, so it is just particle board, not very expensive, not super high quality. Did not pay that much for it, so I wasn't expecting high quality. The steps are all here, so I'm just going to start assembling it. Now, I also am going to use, it does have screws, you can see here. Yeah, there's a little screwdriver, which is perfectly fine. But I was given this electric screwdriver in exchange for my honest review. It comes from ToolAnt, and they provide a variety of woodworking tools and accessories that you can buy online. The same quality of product as the famous brands at a relatively low price. And I have been using this around, not just for this project, but I wanted to show you. It's lightweight, and it's got a long battery life. You just charge it. It's been lasting a long time. I've actually really enjoyed it. It has done a really great job. I'll leave a link to them at the bottom. And then it also comes with all of these bits as well. So I'm going to be using this as I assemble. I think it just makes my life a little easier. Not necessary. It's just, I have it, might as well use it. Okay, let's get to assembling. I am one more step to being organized. We are all done. It looks fantastic. It was a little finicky to assemble. I did have one little section that had the laminate come off. I put it on the inside. I don't remember. I think it's like this corner on the inside. That was the only trouble I had. Some reviews say that the laminate's really coming off. I didn't have that trouble. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It's exactly the size I need, so check your dimensions. And it looks great, and I'm very happy. All of my tools I use on a regular basis are at my fingertips. I have it next to these sticker books. Oh my goodness. These are the best sticker books, I will say. I'll put links to those down below as well. I absolutely love those. I have all three of them. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think it's one more step to organization and get me back on track. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.